What is disyllabic word? A disyllabic word is a word that consists of two syllables. Examples of disyllabic words. Today. Today is a disyllabic word. In this word, to and day are syllables. Sister. Sister is a disyllabic word. In this word, sis and tar are syllables. 400 plus disyllabic words. Disyllabic words that start with A. Artist, army, apple, appear, answer, angry, always, almond, album, attend, again, after, afraid, adjust, address, actor, absent, avoid, autumn, athlete, aspire, archer, April, applaud, another, arrange, arrive, arrest, assign, assist, assure, attempt, attract, attend. Disyllabic words that start with B. Baby, balance, balloon, basket, battle, beauty, bedroom, believe, blanket, blossom, bottle, bracket, broken, butter, burden, brother, bridal, breaking, borrow, boredom, bitter, betray, believe, basement, barber, bandit, brighten, bottle, borrow, blanket, between, beneath, belong, bargain, bandage, bamboo, backward. Disyllabic words that start with C. Custom, country, copper, common, college, coffee, closer, chicken, chapter, channel, cattle, castle, carrot, carpet, careful, candle, cactus, cotton, corner, concert, common, comfort, combine, collar, clever, classic, chimney, chamber, ceiling, caution, careless, curtain, cricket, courage, cotton, cottage, corner, control, contest, connect, confirm, concept, complain, compact, cloudy, center, charger, cartoon, careful. Disyllabic words that start with D. Duty, drummer, drowsy, driver, dreamer, dragon, dollar, distance, dinner, desert, defend, descent, daughter, dancer, danger, dolphin, doctor, dislike, direct, decline, daylight, droplet, duckling, distant, design, dentist, delight, defeat, descent, dancer. Disyllabic words that start with E. Extra, expert, excuse, enter, enjoy, elbow, effort, echo, early, eagle, expert, exact, event, escape, English, engine, effect, explain, excuse, entire, enlarge, enforce, enchant, elbow, 80, effort, eager. Disyllabic words that start with F. Famous, farmer, father, fetcher, feeling, fever, fiction, figure, finger, focus, folder, follow, forward, fortune, fragile, freedom, flawless, final, friendly, forgive, fitness, future. Disyllabic words that start with G. Garden, gather, gentle, ginger, global, grammar, grateful, greedy, greeting, guitar, gallant, gently, guardian, gateway, gossip, golden, gloomy, glisten, gesture, gentle. Disyllabic words that start with H. Hungry, honor, honest, highway, hidden, helmet, heaven, healthy, hardly, harder, harbor, happy, hammer, habit, human, hopeful, helpless, harmless, happen, handful, hardship, headache, harvest. Disyllabic words that start with I. Invite, insult, instant, inspire, include, insect, index, impulse, impact, image, issue, island, improve, idea. Disyllabic words that start with J. Jungle, juicy, justice, journey, journal, jacket. Disyllabic words that start with K. Kindness, knowledge, kitten, kitchen, kingdom, kidnap, keeper. Disyllabic words that start with L. Label, ladder, laughter, laundry, lawful, letter, lighter, liquid, lonely, luggage, lucky, local, lively, listen, limit, leather, lavish, lately. Disyllabic words that start with M. Music, motion, moment, mirror, middle, measure, meadow, master, market, manner, major, magnet, magic, mustard, morning, Monday, modern, market, marble, machine. Disyllabic words that start with N. notice, number, normal, nervous, nearby, nature, native, neatly, narrow. Disyllabic words that start with O. Object, ocean, office, olive, open, orange, orbit, organ, outing, offer. Disyllabic words that start with P. Palace, panic, paper, parade, parent, pardon, passion, patient, pattern, perfect, pumpkin, pocket, plastic, planet, picture, pillow, person. Disyllabic words that start with Q. Quality, quicken. Disyllabic words that start with R. River, riddle, refresh, record, rapid, random, racket, rabbit. Disyllabic words that start with S. Sister, signal, shelter, shadow, service, seldom, secret, season, scissor, sample, sacred, station, speaker, shoulder, silver, silent. Disyllabic words that start with T. Turtle, ticket, tension, teacher, target, tangle, talent, tablet, twinkle, trouble, timid. Disyllabic words that start with U. Ugly, unable, under, unique, update, uplift, urgent, useful, user, urban. Disyllabic words that start with V. Version, vivid, vessel, verdict, venture, vendor, valley, vacant. Disyllabic words that start with W. Window, wealthy, whistle, western, welcome, wedding, water, warning, warden. Disyllabic word that start with X. Xerox. Disyllabic words that start with Y. Yearly, YOLO, younger, yourself. Disyllabic word that start with Z. Jealous. Follow Fast Learn WhatsApp channel. Subscribe Fast Learn YouTube channel. Subscribe English Skill Improvement YouTube channel.